Hello everyone, my name is Joan Sebastian Bamon Salazar, and I'm going to pronounce the key phonetic sounds in English, showing their symbol and providing an example of each. Let's begin. 1. Consonants. Ts. For example, tin. Ds. For example, dose. V. For example, boys. Z. For example, C. Z. For example, Z. Ch. For example, she. T. For example, chair. G. G. For example, your. And for example, name. H. For example, house. 2. Vowels. E. For example, C. E. For example, sit. E. For example, bed. A. For example, cat. For example, car. O. For example, hot. O. For example, love. U. For example, book. U. For example, blue. A. For example, cat. Er. For example, bird. A. For example, about. 3. Diphthongs. A. For example, they. I. For example, my. Oi. For example, boy. Ow. For example, now. Oh. For example, go. Here. For example, here. Air. For example, her. Wa. For example, tour.